Okay, hi guys. This is my first unboxing video ever. I've never been into Labubus, even though it got so popular around 2024. But at first I thought, oh, it's just another bag charm. Or, just honestly, it looks kind of like big and chunky on the back. So I was like, what is the hype? I don't understand it. Until I saw the new Pin for Love series that was just launched yesterday on PopMart. But unfortunately I didn't score anything because it was impossible to beat all other buyers or even bots. So I didn't have any luck for that, but then that's when I started to branch out and look at other collections that Labubus have. And so I decided to go on Facebook Marketplace and get a few that I really like. So these are the 6 that I got from the first collection they have, which is Exciting Macarons. In French it's pronounced macaron. So yeah, and then this is Have a Seat. I have 2 from the first collection and then 4 from the second one. I am no way an expert in Labubus or anything, so this is just an unboxing video of the ones I got. And I figure this is a better way for me to save money and to get exactly what I want, rather than buying blind boxes or a whole set. Or I don't even care for like secrets, because I mean it's hard to get, and now the price is so high from Facebook Marketplace or anything that I found online. So I'm happy with this, and the reason why I chose them is because they have cute facial expressions, or sitting or standing position, and then the fur is soft or fluffy. And then another criteria I base on is what my color I usually wear, and just bags and clothes and my wardrobe style. So I usually wear black, brown, caramel, cream, or white. So, but with that being said, without further ado, I wanted to go ahead and unbox for you guys, because I can't wait anymore. I was so excited when I see UPS truck this morning. And so, all right, let's start with this one. Even though it's not a true unboxing video, I would not look at the cart, so I don't know what's inside, and I know what the characters I got. So it is halfway unboxing experience. So this is the first one, and hopefully I look at the card. This is the bag. Let's see how it sounds. All right, sounds like a regular one. I mean, I don't know anything about Labubus, so what am I doing? Oh my god, this is the first one, and I love this color. See if I can zoom in here, focus, so you can see how good she looks. Oh, this is Toffee. I know it is Toffee because I only got 2 from this collection because of the color. I just love it. And the good thing about this, wait, can this move? Okay. Oh yes, it does move. So you can do that, but I don't want to do it because it's creepy. So she would just stay like that, and then the fur is soft. But I hear that the second collection is even softer. So this will go onto my caramel. Honestly, she goes with everything: cream, white, brown, or black. And later on I'll film another video when I pair them with my bags, so look out for that. That is Toffee. And oops, here's a card, and it does say Toffee. Okay, all right, that's the first one, and I know what's in here already because I only got 2 for this. So thing I forgot to mention. Here's the barcode. Oh, this is Soymilk. Soymilk. By the way, she is so cute. I'm trying to get the focus on this one. And cream white. The fur does come off a little bit when I open it. Let's see. There's the keychain. Open it like that. Okay, I need to like fix my focus. Alright, there you go. And then something I forgot to mention is that if you want to check for authenticity, because there are so many Labubus out there, just scan this barcode, and the real ones always come with this barcode tag in the back. And let's see. Alright, it says Parkmart in the bottom like that. Okay. So cute. She's so cute. Oh my gosh. Alright. So here is the two first one I got. Okay. On to the second collection. This is so exciting. This is what I'm excited for. Oh no, I just got spoiled from the card. Oh god. Okay, put it away. Have a seat collection. Interesting. Is this one already open? Why is it? Maybe this is the original back? I don't know. Oh my goodness. This is Baba, I think. Yep. It is. See? Okay. She's so cute. I love the seating position because they are smaller this way, and I feel like if you put onto your back, it won't be too overwhelming. And if you have different size of bags, like small ones, then this would be perfect. Love the keychain too. She's so soft. And I'm planning on to get some from the Big Into Energy because I heard that that is even softer than this. Okay. Yeah, so comparing the size, the Have a Seat is a tad smaller than this one because it's sitting. Okay, what is this one? So Baba is actually the first color that I was looking at in this collection because she's just so cute. And it goes with everything in my wardrobe. But then I was like, oh my god, but I want everything else from this collection. So I bit the bullet and I bought 4, and I'm planning to get another one too. So 5 out of 6. Might as well buy the whole collection. Oh my god, this is Sisi, I think. Wait, let me check. Where's the card for this one? Yes. I love this one because of the facial expression. It's different than others. And this is so relatable to my personality. Yes, Sisi. At least I think that's how it's pronounced. Sisi? Oh my goodness. I love this one already. So I heard you can fluff them by just touching around the ear, head, and everything else, and everything here is adjustable. Like she can hold something. Oh my gosh. Yeah, you can totally decorate that. Okay, that's Sisi. Alright, if you don't like the speed I'm doing, just feel free to increase the speed. Well, hurry up, bitch. Alright, let's see. Oh, I know what this is. This is Dada. I love Dada because well, at least, I mean, at first she wasn't my choice because she's pink and I am not a pink girl. I don't own anything in pink in my wardrobe. But then I guess I got influenced because I heard Dada, it's really cute and fluffiest, and everybody ranked her like, you know, the top of the collection. So here she is. She's so soft and she's like blush pink. This would be a really cool awesome spring color. Here's the card. Dada. This is cool. Alright, last one. I know what it is. And I'm very excited about this one because she is one of the top 2 in this collection. Oh, this is a gray color. I forgot to like describe the color for you all. This is like pale peachy yellow to me. It's not yellow, it still has some pink blush undertone to it, but it's peachy. That's more accurate. And then, so comparing peachy, and then this one is Baba, Sisi. The Baba one is very cute and is darker, like light brown, like camel. Oh my gosh, I love this collection. I'm not into green or blue or pink, but I think I'm gonna get QQ next because it's just, I gotta have them all. Alright, so I'm gonna put them together like this. And oh, so cute. So Toffee and Soymilk are going into my bigger bags because they're bigger. Ah, sorry. Okay. Soymilk, Toffee, Hehe, Baba, Dada, Sisi. Alright, that's everything. Oh my gosh, thank you so much for watching, and I would definitely do more. Hopefully not trying to break my bank, but thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.